My my daughter. Hello, candidates. Good evening. Now, in federal bank interviews, you had a GD topic, very interesting. But right now, we have got a GD topic posted by a candidate. See, I have been selected for IDBI PGDBF. I have also been selected for SBI clerk and awaiting RRB PO result. I am thinking of not joining IDBI. Please share your thoughts on this. Super question. This is very much similar to federal bank interview. Say, in the case of federal bank interviews, we used to get question like this in the GD. Vishwa Teja. Vishwa Teja. Yeah. So now it is just a matter of discussion. Don't worry. I'm not telling you who is that candidate who has been selected. I'm not telling you. Others, if you want to join, you can share your views about this. Yeah. Let us see whether some more people join, but not many will come because people are not. I think not many will come. Let us see. Yeah. In the meantime, Vishwanath, Vishwateja.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Are you that candidate? No. Oh. Acha, you are from Kerala?
Na, sir, Telangana.
Acha, you are Telangana. You are not that candidate. This candidate is from Kerala. Now, please tell me your views on this. And before that, if you want to tell some other points, you can tell me. You have something else in your mind? Achha, you attended for Federal Bank interview also, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, GD attended, sir. Yesterday completed GD.
And what about what was the topic given to you?
Topic was given that I am bank manager and one of my fellow met with hand fractured, and the physio suggested to take him to 3 months leave. He is not able to balance between professional and personal life. Management wants to terminate him. What is your views on this? In around we are 10 members are there in group. My serial number was 7. From starting number 1 to 6, they said that no, we have to give some chances to the member as he is credible, and we have to financially support him. Till 1 to 6, they said like this only. But what I said I partially agree with you. Is a credible. Nobody wants to lose a credible person. But my point is whether this is affecting bank's business or not. My point. Actually, the HR team said that the persons who is given serial numbers, you have to express your opinion for a 45 seconds. Then when the person 10th number completed all these things, the gates are opened for GD. In 45 seconds, I explained this point only. Whether the bank's business is affecting with this or not is my major point. And I said, I will discuss when GD gates are open. I said this point only. When the 10th person completed, all are kept quiet. I took initiative and I started saying that whether he is replaceable or not. I partially agree with you. If he is replaceable, we have to look for that. If his role is salesperson, and you all people saying that we have to give him work from home culture, I agree with you. The work from home culture became familiar due to pandemic. But when a salesperson we are giving work from home, it doesn't. It will affect a lot on bank's business in economic growth as Q2Q results, quarter to quarter results will affected as he is seeking 3 months leave. I said this point, and the fellows, all 9 fellows are stood opposite to me. They are saying no, we have to give leave, we have to provide leave, and as well as financial support to him. All 9 fellows said like this only. Then I raised a point. Then we have to first look whether he is having any insurance policy for health or not. Until and unless we are looking into that point, we cannot say directly we will give money to him from our pockets.
No,
I
but no,
posted this point.
but normally
Sir,
in the case of bank employees, when
sir,
they meet with accident, the insurance
sir.
facility will be there.
Yes, sir. But all are the fellows even don't know this thing. They are saying we will provide some financial help to him. Then I mentioned this point. As of now, the federal recruitment in the notification only they given medical insurance of 20 lakhs is there. Why don't you utilize this? I mentioned this point.
Yeah, yeah.
I mentioned
And
this.
no,
I
but
mentioned this point.
that medical benefit can be given, but then the
Sir.
question of salary is a difficult issue. Whether he can be paid salary for 3 months or he can be given leave without salary. So that one suggestion can
Yes, sir.
be he can be given 3 months
Sir,
leave
then
and then recruited again.
I posted another 3 opinions, sir. What are the another 3 opinions are that one fellow said that as I am manager, I know I have some authorities and I can sanction 3 months leave to him instead of terminating. Then I raised a question that I too agree with that one. Nobody wants to leave a credible person, but company guidelines are to terminate a person if he is absent for 45 days, whatever be the reason. You can't go beyond company's rules. If you are going beyond company's guidelines, it is in the sense you are putting your job risk instead for someone's help. I raised these questions. Only out of 10 members, only we were 4 members are active in GD. Around three girls are there. They kept quiet till the end of the GD. At the end, HR stopped. Excuse me, give a minute. HR asked like this and said, all of you have to conclude one single sentence. Then everybody kept quiet. Then I thought all 9 are stood one side. I am in one side. So I give one of the member who is active in GD. I supposed I voted him name. I voted him his name. So in that team only they don't have unity. Again they said I will support this fellow. I will support this fellow. They started like this. Again HR said no additions, no nothing. All of you have to choose one person. Then again all kept quiet. I took initiation at there only. Concluded myself only. The story was concluded and HR said, okay, you may leave. This was what the story happened in my GD time.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Yeah, Sambashiva, Vishwateja was sharing his experience in the GD. Of course, we assembled for some other purpose, but he was sharing this idea. Sambashiva, what is your degree? You completed only 2019 or 20? Sambashiva, please unmute.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. You completed your degree in which year?
Sir, actually, voice is not
No,
clear, sir.
I'm asking you completed degree in which year? Hello?
Sir, 2017 MBA, 2017 MBA completed, sir.
Very good, very good. 2017 MBA. That is good. That's really nice. Here is a question that I posed you in the Telegram. What is your view regarding this? What is your view regarding this? That IDBI or SBI clerk or IBPS RRB PO. This is also very interesting. Like I gave this question because it is very interesting, like our Federal Bank group discussions. So both of you can talk from this angle. Yeah. You have something else to speak.
My thought is.
Good evening, my friend. Myself Vishwateja. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
According to that question, RRB PO is preferable, sir, because even SBI is a biggest bank, but the post is a clerical. RRB PO means it is a probationary officer. It is a higher position than clerk. Automatically respect will be more, and in future promotion, if you get a promotion, you get into higher position. If a SBI clerk, if you join, your next level PO only will reach. So IDBI means that is a it is going to private sector. It is also good, but yes, sir.
No, what do you suggest?
Sir, can I go?
No. Yeah, please start, Vishwa.
Sir, actually, I will look what is business of the banks, three banks.
Hmm.
Let's say IDBI is there, SBI and there, RRB PO is there. Which one is member of IIB? The primary point, which one is member of IIB, and which will have, after working in till scale to officer, whether I get any opportunity, like let's say I will go abroad and work in World Bank, which one will give importance? RRB PO won't give this advantage. Instead of SBI, IDBI will give. I will choose IDBI. As doing as an IDBI, we get interaction with number of industrialists. It will give some weightage and advantage.
Oh, very good, very good.
Less number of people are there. Those who know about industry's culture. Okay, RRB PO is there. RRB will only deals with government policy, government schemes only. They will look for even RRBs have current account in State Bank of India. They don't have their own capital in their own branch. In my village, some RRB bank is there, but they having current account in SBI so that they can draw money in SBI and they will come to their bank whenever a fellow comes. Here, SBI having major business, IDBI having industry business. Which one is important for growth of economy and GDP means industry. So I will choose industry.
No, I will go. I have to answer your question. See, RRB opening accounts with SBI is not a negative point. RRB
No,
is,
sir. I'm not saying it's a negative point.
RRB is one bank. It has to have account with another bank so that they can operate their current account to draw money. Whenever they have surplus, they will deposit into that. Whenever they want, they will draw from that. So that is fine.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And your point, whether RRB will give opportunities to work abroad, the answer is no. So from that point of view, IDBI is preferable. And
yes, sir.
Your observation that which is helping GDP, all that is not relevant for us. I am an employee. My concern is about my career and not about the country at this stage. So I have to decide which one is beneficial for me. For example, a person who is interested in serving his own state and is not willing to move out of his own state, he will prefer RRB because he'll be more comfortable there. A person who is interested in serving within his own state of, say, supposing he has been selected in SBI in the same state and he wants only limited number of hours of work, he will choose SBI clerk. Do you understand what I say?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm getting your point.
Yeah.
So we can add some point that a person who is unable to speak in Hindi, he will also choose RRB. Regional banks only.
Yeah.
This is also
a person who cannot speak Hindi also. Yeah. RRB is better.
Yes, sir.
RRB
better.
is also good. So this is what my observation
we can add this point too. We can add this point too.
Yeah, but I think you are in favor of IDBI. I am also in favor of IDBI because it is a growing organization and already, though it is said to be private, majority shares are with the government only in the form of LIC or in the form of government.
Recently, yes, sir. I was ready to post that one only. Recently, only LIC took major stake in IDBI.
So it is recommended.
It is increased.
Yeah.
LIC increased stake from around 11 to some 15%, sir. I don't know the exact stat.
45%.
Sir. I don't know exact stat, but increased.
Yeah. So I would recommend is joining IDBI only, but I don't know. I have told him, you think and then decide. What Sambasiva, what is your view? Supposing you are now given IDBI, you are now given Federal Bank, you are now given, what is that? IBPS RRB, you are also given SBI clerk. Which one will you join?
Sir, I will tell within 2 minutes, sir. I am on outside. Within
Okay,
2 minutes, I
okay.
will speak.
No problem, no problem. Absolutely no issues. Yeah, very good. Vishwateja, so nice.
Sir,
Thanks for,
actually,
yeah.
from last couple of years, I was somewhat interested in economy, let's say in markets,
Mm,
reading markets.
mm,
I got interested in reading markets and studying their technicals,
mhm.
how
Now,
Q2Q
what,
results are
what,
increasing.
what is the latest results, news about Paytm?
Paytm, sir,
Mm,
actually, it
yeah.
is overvalued
Mm,
because it is overvalued, and on the day of listing only, it felt around 27%. Negative listing was given.
mm,
Point number one,
mm,
negative listings. Point number two, the person, actually it is successful IPO for their promoters.
mm,
Their promoters only.
mm,
At the starting stage of Paytm, there are lack of funding, lack of fundraising.
mm,
When they came to IPO
mm,
on the listing day, the
mm,
person who having least shares, means promoter only, but having least stake in the company, received around 1.36 lakh US dollars.
mm. No,
This was
the issue price was 2,150.
2,150,
Now,
and it
now,
was,
now it is
yes, sir,
going
and
at
it was
1,000.
listed at 1950, and the low price was 1586 on the day. 15,
Now,
it went to 1586.
now I think it is
Yeah.
going for 1,400 and 1,500.
Consolidation will be there. Actually, it will be successful IPO if it is in the range of 850 to 1350. 850 to 1350 was good price for IPO, but they quoted overpriced. It was overvalued.
Because company wanted to make some money out of it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All,
Actually,
all that premium is their sort of income for them or own funds.
I would like to add one point, sir. Everybody thinks Paytm don't have business. Everybody thinks, but PhonePe and Google Pay have their business in only UPI sector. In UPI sector only they have. Apart from this, when it comes to merchant sector, Paytm have business. Large business for Paytm is merchant business, and they came with a new idea of speakers. Recently, I somewhere outside I saw that after scanning QR, it's giving a voice of received some 50 rupees to the merchant. To the merchant account, it is giving some features. It is a good idea. Everybody thinks, okay, it is saying some, we are getting some voice that this money came and deposited in our account. Instead of everybody shows PhonePe screenshot, payment succeeded, like this. Like these things are overcome by this point. And major drawback of Paytm was the Paytm Mall. Paytm Mall was it give competition for around 1 year for Flipkart and Amazon, but it is not succeeded when compared to them. Till now, this is what I learned from the Paytm, sir.
Very
Till now.
good. Very good. Thank you so much. Best
Thank you.
wishes. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you.
Tomorrow.
Okay, sir, definitely.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.